I just wanted to congratulate Askal.
Hindi naman ako ang nanalo.
I know that, big boy. Pero lumakas ang kita natin sa online streaming dahil sa mga antiques mo. Keep it up, big boy. Malay mo. Baka mabigyan kita ng reward one of these days.
Ano? Ang kalayaan ko.
Hindi kalayaan ang kailangan mo. Disiplina. And just like all the other cosplayers, magagamit mong galing mong lumaban sa arena. Kung malaya ka, malamang kriminal ka na. But anyway, I really have to go. But I like talking to you. I'll see you again, Askal.
Dalhin niyo na nga yan. Ay, nako. Talagang plano mong isa-isahin kaming security mo no?
I categorically deny the possibility of your accusations, Jarell. I'm not that kind of woman. But I forgive you for your sins. Now open the door.
What?
Kamukusot ang buhok ko, pati yung damit ko. Malapit na tayo
Mamaya, ha?
For as long as you promise to behave. Remember, hindi maaring malaman ni Maggie na nasa atin ang anak niya. Get it? Okay. Hey, we're here! What's happening here, Dean? Wrong timing na naman ba ako?
Well, actually, may problema lang po sa kapatid ko.
Ah. Oh, is that him in the video?
At saka yung apo ko.
Ay, nako. Kids talaga nowadays. Mahilig silang gumawa ng mga video na ganyan for profit. Well, siguro talagang kinailangan niyang gumawa ng ganyan para masuportahan yung pagsasama nilang girlfriend niya.
What do you mean?
Come on, Maggie. Do you believe na totoong laban ito? I've been in production for so long. I know. It's not real. Gawa-gawa lang nila yan.
Sabi na nga ba
Hindi. Hindi ugali ni Lizzie to na gumawa ng pera sa ganitong paraan. Nasasaktan ang apo ko
Come on, she's a teenager, raging hormones. Of course, lahat gagawin niya to be with her boyfriend.
Teka, sandali. Sino ka ba? Bakit ka ba nakikialam? Hindi mo na makilala itong mga batang ito.
Judy, si Mama Daisy, she's our guest. May meeting kami ngayon for dinner. Pwede ba pag-usapan na lang natin ito mamaya? Tatawagan na lang kita.
Hindi kaya nga ako lumapit para humingi ng tulong kasi kailangan ko lang makita si Lizzie. Anak mo rin naman to
Oo nga, pero may meeting nga ako. Importante.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. You forwarded your concern. Rex, please.
Hindi na, Din. Hindi mo na kami kailangan paalisin. Naalis na kami. Sige, halika na.
I have my connections, Daisy. Sa police, sa military, pinuntahan ko na silang lahat para hanapin si Julian.
Pero hindi mo pa rin siya nahahanap. Which means, low-ranking siguro yung mga koneksyon mo. Huwag ka nang mahiya, my dear. You know, mas intensive and extensive ang mga koneksyon ng mata.
Please don't misunderstand my mother. She actually admires you. I mean, you are the woman who holds the most powerful seat sa Matanghari.
Bakit hindi mo pwedeng mapunta sa babaeng posisyon ko?
That's not what I meant.
Take it easy, Dean. It's all right. Masyado tuloy nahahalata that you're so eager to get close to me. Para ano? Would you like to have my position in Matanghari?
Come on, Daisy. How dare you accuse us sa sarili kong pamamahay?
I'm not accusing you, Maggie. I'm stating a fact. I think your ambitions are pretty much obvious, and so I advise na itago niyo yan. Napili ako ng Matanghari because I was never power hungry. I'm happy with my own business and I'm doing very well. I was never a threat to anyone else. Kaya ako umangat.
So you're giving us tips now?
Well, if you don't want to take my advice, then it's okay. But I'm not going to sit here pretending I don't know why you wanted to have dinner with me. I told you, Dean, hindi niyo ako mauupo.